$2 back to you with another video. So if y'all haven't liked, subscribe, or comment, go ahead and do that right there. Also too, I'm sorry I haven't been pushing out videos. It's been raining. It's a nice day out right now. Got the 392 right here, it's washed. Today we're gonna be installing rock guards by ZL1 Addons. I got these for about 100 bucks. These are the deluxe version. So they're harder, more stability, more durability. So basically, let's get to installing these. Yeah. So these will be the tools you'll be needing for this installation. Flathead screwdriver, a butter knife, pliers, not die cutters, microfiber, and brake cleaner in substitution for alcohol. So you wipe that down, you know, the inner wheel wells, and you pick those. I don't have the specific tool for the what is it, the lock nuts or whatever they're called, but those are the tools you'll be needing. All right, so we're gonna open this. Damn. I'm opening it the wrong way, but get one of these. Fuck it. These are the deluxe ones. Guess they're supposed to be stronger than the standard ones. Come with some instructions. So basically, you need to clean your fender well. And they're gonna go right here. I think these are the rears, if I'm not mistaken. They go like this. These are the fronts. Yeah, these are the fronts. They basically go right here, and they fold like that, and rock guards. So we're gonna get into installing these, and yeah. All right, y'all. So basically, we got the Deluxe rock guard. Got the double-sided tape right here. I'm using brake cleaner right now. I'm just gonna spray the fender well down. Kind of want to get right there. I don't have any alcohol, so basically just want to wipe it down. Get all the dirt. I just washed my car, so it isn't dirty. I got a butter knife. All you do is just pop this tab up. Oh shit. Pop the tab up. Just pop right out. Pop right out. I got 3 tabs. I got 4 of them. Oh shit. I'm just kind of getting a little feel for it. Put it in there. Find it. Get in there. That one ain't going in. That's a broken one. So what I'm going to do is find this hole. These are harder than it looks, actually. Ah, snap, didn't go in. This one out. I'm gonna do this one. Kind of just wiggle it in until it pops in. What I do is get the knife. Okay, you can. And just wiggle it. Should pop on. See, I got that one started. Pop this one up. Okay. everything's sticking now. Okay. I don't know what's going on with these ones. Having some technical difficulties. Okay. So you gotta get them in the hole all the way. That's where I messed up at. Not going in there all the way. There you go. So now I gotta take this one out. See if I can redo it. Yep, and I'm popping all in there. Let me get a hammer real quick. Little broken hammer I got. This other way I can just hit it in there. And you see it's already sticking. And you just pull the tape up as you go. And it's gonna stick to that. The reason why you clean on alcohol so the way it sticks to it. Let me find another push pin. Other push pin right here. All the way up. Push firmly, and snap. I think I might have messed up. Holy crap. It's not going in that hole. Ooh. That's on there, my girl. Hey, that is on there. Jeez. There we go. There we go. That's how you install that one. I'm missing one pin. I mean, the 3M tape though, definitely. That shit helps. I'll get onto the rear and I got you. The rear is a little bit different. I might have some problems with the rear because had a blowout and whatnot on this car. So, you know, it messed up the fender well and fender lining. So, we should see how it works. Let me show you. As you can see, how the fender well is loose. So, we'll see how that goes. But as far as I'm tracking, that should go right there. And that goes. I don't think it's anything. So there's different size, huh? Yeah. So this is the left side. I'm gonna need an 8mm wrench. And there's one push tab, and 8mm. All right, so the bolt size is an 8/32. Take this little bolt size off. So that bolt did not go there. Get y'all closer. That bolt didn't go here. I don't know what happened. Basically, so all right, I'm gonna line this stuff up. Line up with that. Bam. Kinda gotta jimmy rig some shit, you know. I just need one more push pin. Where did it go? All right, so that's how you install those. Mine was a little different since I had, you know, some makeshift. If you can see, all that in the rear is gone from a blowout. But they're pretty easy. All you do is peel and stick. Have your line up your rivets or your push tabs, and it's pretty simple. So I'm gonna get to the other two. and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on the outside. Yeah. Final result, as you can see, pretty good insulation. I'm missing, see they're sticking out, I don't know if you can see, but they're sticking out. I'm missing one right there. The rear is pretty easy. The rear is really easy. See how it looks on the back. Protects the rocks. And these are the deluxe versions. So definitely happy with the purchase. You can see, I like that. So tell me what y'all think about those ZL1 Rocket Guard Deluxe version. I got them for $100. Pretty easy install. Maybe took 30 minutes for all four. Let me know what y'all think if y'all have them. You know, if they've broken off, if they protect the rocks from chipping your paint. So let me know what y'all think. But if y'all hitting that like, subscribe, or comment, go ahead and do that right now, and we out.